In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Asian-style chicken wings. They're super delicious because they're sticky and sweet, and they can be a little spicy if you want to. If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and I meal prep professionally for my clients. And now I'm sharing my expertise with you in my online course called Meal Prep Academy. I also have a free 5-day meal prep challenge for complete beginners. So if you're wanting to meal prep for yourself and you don't know where to start, check out that link below in the description. And without further ado, let's get cooking.
Alright, so first up, you want to start by mincing your garlic. So get that all nice and minced. Next up, grate some fresh ginger. So I've already peeled the ginger and I'm just using my microplane to grate it. Give it a little tap to release it and just scoop it out there. Fresh lime. Oh yeah. Alright, and then you're gonna make the sauce by mixing some tamari, that fresh lime juice, the garlic, the fresh grated ginger, and some honey. Use a little spoon if you need. And give it a good stir. Looks so good. Next up, you're gonna wanna prepare a sheet pan and add a sheet of parchment paper on top. Then your chicken wings, and if they're a little bit moist, you're gonna want to pat them dry with some paper towels. Next up, salt and pepper. Season generously. And then drizzle with some oil and give it a good toss. You're going to want to spread it out so it's in a single layer. And now we're gonna bake it in the oven. Voila! Now we're gonna add that sauce on top and we're gonna cook it again. And we're gonna bake it for another 30 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes now and we're just going to toss them. You can see that some of the edges are starting to burn a little bit, but don't worry, that's actually super delicious. So I'm just gonna rub them in that. And plate it up. A little fresh scallion on top, some sesame seeds if you want, and looks so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I release a new cooking video and recipe every week. I'll see you next time. Happy eating!